This is Dave Espino, and today I'm answering a question that somebody requested, and it is, can one make $5,000 being a full-time Udemy trainer? I'm going to assume that they mean $5,000 a month, okay? The answer is yes, somebody can do that, but no, it's not likely for the average Udemy instructor. Okay, and here's why I say that. The average Udemy instructor only publishes one course, okay? And it's unlikely that one course will make them $5,000 a month, unless a course happens to be in a very high demand topic with very little competition. Okay, it is possible, but it's not likely. So what many Udemy instructors do is they publish more than one course. They publish 2, 3, 5, 10, 15 courses. And that allows them to make and kind of stack these passive income streams one on top of another. But still, the overriding thing that's going to determine your income on Udemy, because so many of these things are out of your control, okay? The pricing is out of your control. The reviews that you get are sometimes out of your control. At least the review system, the way it's set up. The competition is out of your control. So there's a lot of things that are out of your control on Udemy, which means that the only thing you can control is creating more courses, stacking those courses on top of each other. But if those courses are not in a high demand search on Udemy, in other words, a lot of people are not searching for that course topic on Udemy, then those courses may not make that much money either. Okay, so it really depends on your course topic. It really depends on whether your course is in high demand or not, and then what does the competition atmosphere look like? How many other people are creating courses on that same topic, and have they been more established than you? Have they been on the Udemy website longer, and therefore have more reviews and higher reviews than your course? So having said that, I believe that yes, a certain small percentage of people can make $5,000 a month on Udemy, but the circumstances have to be high demand course, low competition for that course. Then you've got a good opportunity. However, for most Udemy instructors, and I would say probably 90% and maybe more of Udemy instructors, they're not going to get to that $5,000 mark unless they create multiple courses. It's one of the reasons I created 51 courses on Udemy before I saw the light and I started thinking, whoa, you know, I could make a lot more money if I were to take this same course and sell it myself for a lot higher amount, right? I could sell my courses for $47, $97, $297, $597, even some courses for $1,497 with a little bit of group coaching and that kind of thing. And I could do a lot better on a self-hosted plan than I could on a marketplace plan like Udemy. If you want to learn the insider secrets to making a massive passive income with online courses, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, I've got a couple of free offers for you. You're going to want to get this download. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. It's all about the online course business and how not only I'm making a lot of money with it, but a lot of other people are as well. So you're going to get that free download at daveespino.com/free book. And then the other freebie I have for you is a special webinar training that I'm doing all about the online course business, how you can get yourself to 6 figures with an online course business. And I'm not talking about creating 50 or 60 courses like I have. I'm talking about doing it with one comprehensive master class and how you can turn that into a 6, 7, and even 8-figure income. So you're going to want to attend that webinar, especially because I'm giving away all kinds of amazing gifts in the webinar as well. To register for the webinar, just go to daveespino.com/webinar. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar where I'm going to show you this incredible world that I call the world's most perfect business. So don't get me wrong, I love Udemy. It's done really well for me. It's paid me really well for the last 5 years. I've made a lot of money on Udemy, but that's just one kind of atmosphere. There's a whole nother environment out there. There's a whole nother world out there where by simply self-hosting your course, charging what you want, having no competition, and creating a sales funnel to drive traffic to that course, you can make at least 5 to 10 times more than you would on Udemy or other similar marketplaces. If you like that idea, then that's what this channel is all about. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.